Okay. What are we gonna do today? I think we'll start off with playing on my TV, computer, whatever it is, and then, well, okay. What's you? You want me to pick this up or something? Okay, I'm gonna pick up my toy, so hold on here. Okay. So, as last time I told you about me and my boyfriend. Well, eventually we broke up. He tried, but I didn't care because what? Alright, look at the back of me. Okay. Gotta pick my nose up. I can't reach it. This is my bat for baseball. I'm really good at that. And they say I'm the worst, but I don't really care. But I'm the best because that's what my coach told me. Well, I gotta go sleep. So, this is too hard. This helmet's making me. Glasses can't see. Where's my glasses? I can't see it. And then, oh, who cares? I'm gonna keep walking. Ah!